Pronto Reviews always warns that the information gathered to produce this video was taken at a point in time and may not reflect recent updates. If the item or product being reviewed seems to fit your needs, please use the link in the description to further check the item. Pronto Reviews looks at Logitech Harmony Hub for control of 8 home entertainment devices. Works with Alexa to easily control your home entertainment devices with your voice. Combine up to 8 remotes and countless apps into one easy-to-use smartphone app. Create customized activities to control your home entertainment. For example, simply tap Date Night and Harmony can turn on your Sony Android TV, launch Netflix, dim your Philips Hue smart lights and turn on your Sonos connected speaker. Harmony app for iOS or Android smartphone or tablet. Simply swipe and tap to control channels, movies, 50 customizable channel favorites. No more descriptions found, just pictures. We took actual reviews where they existed and scored them. In this case, the result is mixed. Some reviews had neutral or negative comments, but still likely okay. People have written some fairly long reviews for this, probably worth a read. While we hope this review has helped you, we do always suggest having a look at the item through our link in the description. Thank you for watching this review, hope you enjoyed it. And have a great decade.